Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Revolut to Indian bank account. So first thing first, open up Revolut and log into your Revolut account. So once you've logged into your Revolut account, go to this transfer option here. So when you get to this transfer option here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go and click on this new tab here on your top right. So click on it and then you'll see an option called Send International. So simply click on it. And then here you can search, you're searching to Indian bank account, so search for India. So when you search for India, select India, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to plug in the amount that you want to send. And then here the transfer method, since we are going to send it to bank account, make sure bank account is selected. So select bank account, then you can add a reference if you want, and then hit on the send option here. So when you hit on the send option, it's going to ask you for the bank account details. So plug in the details of your bank account and then hit on send to complete the transaction, and that's pretty much it is. That's how you send from Revolut to Indian bank account. So hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.